Hi there, my name is Safat and I'm from the Maldives. I'm the founder of a non-profit organization named Women and Democracy, primarily working towards protecting the rights and improving the lives of women. In today's video, we'll talk about how COVID 19 may be impacting our mental health and share some practical tips on how young people can take care of our mental well being and support those around us to do the same. We need to take care of our mental well being and look out for others who may be struggling. Taking care of our mental health is just as important as taking care of our physical health. Despite what some may say, our mental health is related to our overall well being. We all experience and react to crisis differently. Some people can become anxious more easily, while others may not feel as affected. These are all normal reactions. It's likely that the pandemic is impacting us and our mental health. It's normal that major changes in our daily lives, such as school closures and containment policies, affect how we feel. Many people may also be experiencing additional stress due to their new circumstances, such as losing their job or knowing someone close might be at risk of severe illness. Changes in your mood, such as being worried, sad, angry, or having difficulty sleeping or concentrating, is a normal way for your body to respond to stress. The best way to cope with COVID is to take care of yourself and your needs. Remember, you know yourself and understand your physical and emotional needs best. If you're concerned about your mental health or anyone else's, do not hesitate to ask for support or reach out for professional help if you can. Try to do activities you enjoy while maintaining physical distancing, such as I enjoy a lot of reading. I also hang out with my friends online on Skype, and I'm also into gaming these days, so try that as well. Take care of your body by eating healthy, sleeping enough, and exercising. Also, stay calm. Try to take deep breaths, stretch, meditate, or sing. Remember not to socially isolate yourself. We're all in this together. Connect with friends and family and let them know how you're feeling. If you feel overwhelmed during the pandemic, it's okay to reach out for help to those who you trust. Try to focus on the things you can control. Having a daily routine during this time can provide a sense of stability. If you are working from home, try to establish a designated workplace and talk to your family about having quiet time. By achieving the easiest tasks on your to do list, you can feel motivated to continue. Even if you are feeling unfocused and frustrated, try to be kind to yourself. When things are difficult, some of us may turn to coping mechanisms that can ultimately make us feel worse. Even though things are hard, we should avoid turning to alcohol, smoking, or any other substances. Not only is it unhealthy for your mental well being, but it could affect your immune system and make you more likely to catch the virus. Being online can be a great way to stay connected, but for some of us, the internet can also be a toxic place. Here are some tips to help you stay safe on the internet. Don't share information about your identity online, like your address or contact details. Think carefully before posting photos of yourself online, even if you're sharing them privately. Once your picture is online, anyone can download it, share, and even change it. Avoid engaging with bullies or trolls, as this could make the attacks worse. Stop the hate. Don't participate in or enable cyberbullying by ignoring it. Our tips may help, But it's important that you seek further mental health support if you need it. If you're already receiving mental health care, do your best to continue treatment. You may be able to access support or resources online or via phone. If you feel like your mental state is worsening, be patient with yourself. If you have any pre existing mental conditions, it is normal that stress may cause you to feel worse or experience new or previously resolved symptoms. If you cannot access professional help, reach out to your community or somebody that you trust for support. Beware of the needs of others around you and support your community. If there are many people in your household, you should talk about your routines to see how you can each respect each other's schedules and needs. Don't give in to frustration or violence. We should always try to communicate our feelings clearly and calmly, which can also help us understand and address our emotions. Use your communication skills to support your community. If you can't physically be near, you can use phones or online platforms to stay in contact with friends and relatives. I hope that these tips were helpful to you in taking care of your mental well being. If you or anyone you know has been struggling because of COVID 19, I challenge you to use this template to create your own video and share our advice with your friends. Thank you very much and stay safe.